Hello everybody, it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm back to show you this gorgeous package that I received. It is from my friend Mellissa. She has a YouTube channel and she spells her name with 2 L's and 2 S's. Mellissa. She's really sweet. Her channel's mostly about reselling on eBay and how nice she packages up her orders to go out. She has a Patreon account and I went ahead and signed up for one of the monthly subscriptions. It's mostly packing supplies, but since I do a lot of Happy Mail and I have my own small eBay store, I really like to package things very nicely when I send them out. So I thought I'd really benefit from some of the packing supplies. Plus it'll encourage me to list more things on my little eBay store. Anyway, I got this wonderful package today. It's actually a replacement package because the original one got lost in the mail. But I am so excited to open it, and I thought I would share it with you. I started opening it and I peeked inside and then I put it all back real quick thinking I better do a video rather than just opening it by myself. So this package is humongous. When my husband brought it in, he said, "Oh, I hurt my arm bringing in that heavy package." So I thought I would weigh it for you. I have this little postage scale. And it weighs 3 pounds, 13.7 ounces. You could see it on my scale. Maybe it doesn't show up on the camera very good. There it is. So it's a very, very heavy package, and I'm excited to open it. And my bird's excited too. I don't know if you can hear him in the background. He is just going crazy. So I'm going to set this over here, and it is just jam-packed full of things. And it's mostly, like I said, packing supplies. So if that doesn't interest you, there's no sense in watching. But if you want to see really pretty things, go ahead and keep watching. Here's the first package. This is the piece that I took out, and then I shoved it right back in because I thought I'd do it on camera. This is gorgeous. Look at these birds. Crichton, my African gray, would be so happy. So let me open this. By the way, Melissa's favorite color is this color, this really pretty light aqua color. And these are some bubble envelopes which will come in handy for sending either things on eBay or some of my swaps or Happy Mail. Very excited to have those. And then here's some of these poly mailers, like she mailed this in. Some of you who have gotten stuff from me in the mail before knows that I send them in poly mailers. I have some flamingos and I have some cats. But this is gorgeous because this is a bigger one. Love it. And these are so cool. Man, these are heavy. These rain umbrellas, I love it. They are so cool. Very good. And then we have some animal prints. Very cool. And snake skin. That's really neat, especially when I'm sending something to a man too. I don't really always like to send girly stuff, so the snake skin would be perfect. Or if I'm doing something in a black and white theme. These have like a silver sheen to them. Very nice. I will definitely use them. And you see what I see, these silver pieces that you peel off. I could maybe reuse those on a card. And then these are my favorite. Love this. These birds. Oh, and look at the inside is green too. That's really cool. I love those birds. Melissa, if you're watching, you know me. You must know me. I love those. I'm so excited. All right, let me put these back in this bag. I know I won't get everything back in the bag. And I'll just set these aside. And I'll keep all the poly mailers in the bag. Of course, they all just fell on the floor. All right. Then, let's go with this piece. The other one has a lot of bulky things in it, and I want to open it last. I don't know what's in here. This looks like a reusable bag, which always comes in handy. Wow, it's huge and it's beachy. You know, I go on cruises and that would be really cool. You probably can't even see the whole thing on my camera. Very cool. It is humongous. My board is, this is 22 inches wide, and it is probably, let's see, it's about 19 inches wide, or 19 inches square. So that's going to come in handy for a lot of things. Love it. And there's some beautiful bright raffia, of course, tied with some grosgrain ribbon, which I will definitely reuse. Love it. That's great for tying packages. She does such a great job with her packages that I always try to copy. All right, and then there's this package. And on the top is some, oh, there's some stuff sneaky inside too. Some tissue paper. This is Jilson Roberts tissue paper. She orders it in bulk. And the sheets are huge. This is just half a sheet. I should have put the camera farther back. This is a gorgeous pastel flower with some gold in it. Very nice. I'm guessing all of these are Jilson Roberts tissue papers. Gorgeous. What else do we have here? Stand Tall and the Flamingo notepad, which is awesome. I love flamingos. My mother-in-law also loves flamingos, but we can't let her know about these because she'll steal them from me. I see something else I love. Look at that. These are DIY stickers. I'm assuming these are from the Dollar Tree because I have some similar ones that are Christmas. And they're wood. And then I can color them. You might see these in an upcoming video. They're so cool. I love them. Love, love, love them. And here's some more Jilson Roberts tissue paper in that pretty aqua green with a gold. Love it. It's actually metallic gold on there. Love it. And the cactus, the cacti is gorgeous. Love it. I have cacti stamps and some dies. That would be great. I wonder if I could even cut a piece of this and use it on a card. Let me know if you have any ideas. Very pretty. And these tissue papers are really, really good quality. They're so nice. And then we have some fragile stickers for mailing, which always come in handy. And Final Flamingo. It's a flamingo on it. Very cool. I think they're tissues. Yeah, they are tissues. They're great to keep in my purse. Looks like there's 2 of them, so I'll probably have to share one with my mother-in-law, just to be nice. And then there's some little jewelry boxes, which will come in handy. I do have a few jewelry items up on my eBay, so that will definitely come in handy for that. And some white, yeah, I can't think of what this is called, tulle. Some white tulle, which will come in handy for wrapping gifts or even to use on a craft project. There's some tape measures. I don't know why I can't talk today. A couple of tape measures, which, you know, come in handy for crafting, and also would be good to keep one in my purse if I'm ever out anywhere and want to measure something real quick. They're really cool. And here we have some face masks, stem cell, royal jelly, and aloe. Well, that would be good after being in the sun all day. I'm a cyclist. I ride a recumbent trike, and sometimes I might get a little bit too much sun, so that would be really good at the end of the day in the sun. A lot of the times, Mellissa will include a face mask as a free gift when people order from her, so that's very nice. And let's see. These are cute little cellophane bags, which come in handy for many things, especially little crafty things when I'm sending happy mail. And it looks like these are some gift tags, which they have a little hole in the top. I'm not exactly sure what they are, so I will have to play around with them and see. I wonder if you can wind ribbon on them and then tuck it in on those pieces. Maybe that's what they're for. They're really cool. Oh, I know what they're for. Never mind. They're for jewelry. And you would put the necklace behind it and hang it here, and then those two little holes would be for earrings. And I bet they go with these bags. Perfect. That would be really good because I do have some jewelry things on my eBay. And here's one of her business cards. It says, "I am enough." That's one of her mottos that she always says, that you are enough. And that's really cool. I'm going to put that up where I can see it all the time. And here are some other business cards. And this is her motto. It says, "You are enough. You are so enough. It is unbelievable how enough you are." And it says, "Thank you for your order." So they're just more generic business cards that I can put in my orders, which is great. They're shiny. They're really nice quality. And this is some gorgeous ribbon in that beautiful color, and I think that would go great with this wrapping. Look at that. That would be perfect. Love it. I'm so excited. And there are some stickers that say, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Very nice. And I wanted to save this for last because it's ribbon. And it is this gorgeous, gorgeous red or pink. Oh, it's not velour, like a velvet ribbon. Absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely put that to good use. It's from Ribbon Parade in Pennsylvania. And I think it's new. It has the plastic on it, and it says there's 10 yards. So I'll definitely get really good use out of that. Melissa, if you're watching, I love the package. I'm so happy to be one of your Patreon subscribers. I'm also thinking about doing one of my own Patreon accounts, and let me know what you guys think. If you're not familiar with Patreon, just go check it out and see what you think. It's really kind of cool. You can subscribe, and there's different levels of subscriptions that you can do. So I was kind of thinking of doing that maybe in the near future. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I enjoy each one of your comments, so please leave me a comment below, and I do appreciate each one of you. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button, and you'll see more of my videos and my crafts coming up. Thanks again for watching, and until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.